anything he can cook, I can make healthy. Today, I'm making healthy onion rings. How is that possible? It is. Come on, let's go show you. For our ingredients, we're going to use 3 egg whites at room temperature. If you forget to put them at room temperature, you can go ahead and just put them in a bowl of warm water for a little while, and that will work. And we're just going to separate these out. We got 1. All right. And to this, I'm going to add a 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder. You can use onion salt in here if you want. And then 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And we're going to whip these with a hand mixer at high speed until we get stiff peaks. Alright, stiff peak. So they're sticking up, nothing's coming out, nothing's falling off. You shake them, it's not really going anywhere. We're going to prepare a piping bag. In this case, I'm going to just use a star tip. And this is a decorating bag. If you don't have them, you can use a Ziploc or other kind of zipper bag. You can even use parchment paper. Okay, we're going to take our egg whites and we're going to put them in the bag. And you want to do this gently because you don't want to lose air in this process. And you can smell the onion powder. And we're just going to take this and I've got some baking sheets lined over here with a little bit of parchment paper. And we're just going to pipe these into rings. And if you're not sure how to do this, you can just wing it. So come on over here. And we're just going to make some rings. And these are not going to spread like cookies do. So you're okay to put them kind of close to one another. And feel free to make some different sizes. And make some smaller ones. And some bigger ones. Just like you would. If you think about, whoop, you make some actual onion rings. The different layers of onion within one side. They tend to be a little bit bigger than others. And we are concentric circles. So feel free to make them different sizes, whatever suits your need. Tiny little ones. Alright. And now we're going to take these and we're going to place these into a 200-degree preheated oven for 45 minutes. Alright, we are out of the oven. So they were 45 minutes and then we let them go for another 20, turned off the oven, let them go for another 20 minutes. And they are ready to go. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Look how cute. It's adorable. Hey, hey, hey. And I did 2 different pipings on one sheet in this case. They're really good. Now, if you want some a little bit added flavor, this is a very light onion flavor. If you want some added flavor, you can actually sprinkle some onion powder on them. And I did that with these, and you get that much more of that onion flavor. Very good. So, so good. Well, I don't know, Mr. You can't make something healthy. Did I successfully make a healthy onion ring?
Hey, even a broken clock's right twice a day, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So what's your next challenge? Stay tuned. Bye.